Hi everyone, today we are gonna test Codex, as you can see GPT-5 Codex. So I made a simple Chatien Next.js setup, so we don't have to install packages and things like this. If we just go straight to the point, and I asked him to create a video editing software. I'm pretty sure he will not manage to do it, but I really want to see how far he can go. Currently, I cannot test with Sonnet, but I will try it really soon. I think I will do this like tomorrow, so we will be able to compare. I'm going to accept almost everything, and I will not touch anything. I just want to see how good the role model is. It doesn't, maybe it doesn't have, he will not be really better, but we also see, because we are using kilocode, the price we spent, and I think it's really interesting. I'm just going to accept everything. I don't know if like there is a YOLO mode in kilocode. And as it's writing, you we will be able to track what's happening, because we have a running instance, so we'll see what's going on. So I don't know where we are. So install and configure required dependencies. Normally, it already has all the dependencies. I do not understand why he's like trying to change things. Everything is already set up. So what's going on? After that, he planned to implement the core UI, and he will add later a timeline and basic editing control like trim, play, pause, clip selection. He will integrate client-side video processing. So he planned to do everything on the client side, which might be a good idea. I don't know. And then he will polish and update the README, but we don't really care about this. Also, one thing I will do is at the end, I will check the linting, because when I was using Cloud Sonnet, Sonnet was really good, everything works, but when you're launching the linting program, it's telling you there is a bunch of errors. So Sonnet isn't really, at least in my use cases, coding really with good practices. There was a lot of linting issues. So we will see also with this GPT-5. And also, obviously, I will speed up things so it's faster for you. But I'm going to tell you how much time it took for GPT-5 Codex, because it's really important, I think. So I will see you when it's done. Bye bye. And I'm back. So as you can see, it has thought for a very long time. Um, it cost me $2 in total, and it manages to go all the way to the end. Though I think at one point I got rate limited right here, and yeah, but it has managed to go all the way to the end. So I'm going to see if the lint is good. Yeah, perfect. This is really better than Sonnet. All the lint issues have been solved, which is really neat. And now we are going to see how it is supposed to work. So it said that it has been using Tailwind, Chatien, drag and drop media, playback preview with PIP, trim timeline control, clip management, FFmpeg and WASM export integration, live export logging, the stone store, and some other things. So this is not a good sign. Export creative FFmpeg. Okay, so we have an issue. I will ask him to solve it. We will see in how much time he will manage to do this. Let's go. Come on, little guy. You can do it. Maybe I can take a look at the README. Uh, um, so it's very well organized. I will just try to see if there is like a very long code, a very long file, and if it's the case, it's not very good. This one is pretty short. Short. Hmm, really neat. Yeah. Just hope he will manage to solve the issue. Uh huh. Uh huh. And the UI, edit stores, FFmpeg. Mm-hmm. It's well typed, and it seems to be using ShatCN as I asked him. So normally the issue should be solved, and we got a new error. Yes. So let's ask him to solve the issue. Let's see what we will get. I would say it's pretty fast. I think it's faster than GPT-5. So, and I think also it costs less, and it costs way less than Claude. Claude is so fucking expensive. Like I think if I used Claude, I would be already at like $4 or $5 for what I was doing. So it's pretty neat. Okay, save it. Maybe now. No. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So I'm letting the video so that you can see the debug process. So it seems to be an issue with Zestan. Oh, by the way, I didn't put any MCP server, but I think you should. So it's really easy. Like I think you just need to use context 7. So you just pass the context 7 MCP to your AI model and ask him to use this MCP because he just will not use it if you don't ask him. And it will allow the model to get up to date uh, information. Okay, so there seems to be an issue. Um, Let me try to fix it myself. Oh, I'm not using get server snapshots. Maybe I will try to quit and launch it again. Maybe it will solve the problem. No, I still get the issue. Let me just find if it's a common one. It's an issue with the sound. Uh-huh. Okay. So I will give him the answer. This seems to be the solution. I some guy found on GitHub, and I will try to find it myself at the same time. Oh, there is the glass card which doesn't exist. Let me try to get rid of it. Uh-huh. What? Here is the solution found on GitHub. So I don't really know why it's not working. DVD. Maybe if I. What is he doing? Mm-hmm. La 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 la. Enemy's code. Hmm. Let me try to like remove the dot next. Do remove the node module and start again. npm I. Let's try. I'm not sure it will work, but let's try. Uh-huh. Approve. Uh-huh. Sorry, the video is starting to be a bit long. I know, but I really want to find out what will be the final output. Starting. Let's refresh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I trust you, bro. You can do it. No, it's not working. Okay. So GPT-5 wasn't even able to make it kind of work. I'm sorry. It's kind of a shame. Maybe if I try to disable this. Uh-huh. Okay, this is better. Now, if I try to hide these ones. Oh, okay, it's one of them. Um, Video player, maybe? No, it's not. Timeline then. Let's try. Come on, come on. Okay, it seems to be the video uploader. No, it's not just him. Okay, I mean, it's not working. So I'm sorry. I hope you still find this video helpful. If you do, you can leave a like and bye bye.